All right, y'all, it is early. Good morning, good morning. This is Misho's home. Hi, y'all, hi. I am up early, about to clean this desk off. Ugh, it's a mess. So, yeah, let's look at it. Yeah, stuff everywhere. So, yeah, let me clean my, take everything off and put the jewelry in the jewelry box. I think that looks good, y'all. What y'all think? When Christmas over, I'm going to take those off, get me a nice candle, and keep it like this. I want it nice and empty, nice and clean. Keep me 2 pens over there. And then my tablet. And then I definitely going to have me some flowers on my desk weekly. That's going to be my new thing. Having me some flowers on my desk.